Hey you guys, this is Boss Baby Beauty 16 by Jenny. Now you're probably wondering why half of my face has makeup and the other half doesn't. There's a reason why for that, because I'm going to be testing out the Norvina, what are these called? I forget. Water activated cake liners. Yay! I'm so glad that they finally came in, you guys. They took forever to come in, like literally. Don't know why they took forever to come in, but they did. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do, you guys, is I'm going to be testing these out full on. So I'm going to make this side of my face a sugar skull, and it would give me a good opportunity to really test the waters out on these. Now I know that a lot of people use them basically for eyeliner and stuff, but we're going to go all out on these. So let's get started. Okay, so first, I'm so excited. We're going to open it up. I'm going to show you guys how each one looks, because it's like a review technically of this video. Okay, so they come in 3 colors, you guys. They slide out like this. Isn't that cool? Neat-o. Like that. We have orange on top, which we will be using. We have white in the center and purple on the bottom, and they come with these little plastic circular things on the inside. I will no longer be needing that. And then for box number 2, I got both boxes, you guys, because I really like that you can mix the colors and that you're able to use them with water. So that's down my street of knowledge. This one comes with pink, yellow, like a neon yellow, and then a green. So here's the pink, very pretty. All of these colors are very pretty. I do love how that they put them like where they can become stackable, so that is very cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start off with white, and we're going to make all of this side of our face white. And I almost forgot before I make the start on this side of the face. If you guys are wondering how I did this eye makeup, I will actually be putting a small tutorial video on Instagram if you're wanting to know how I did this eye look. So here's a close-up on the eye look, you guys. It has glitter on it all the way down to the edge, 3-tone color. Okay, so let's get started with this. So first thing first, I have a little sponge here, and I'm basically going to damp this sponge in water, and we're going to see, like, it should work for the whole face, you guys. Because based on what I'm seeing here, it should work. So I'm excited for that. Starting off with the white color cake. Swirling it in. Ooh, it looks like it's already grabbing that color. I'm loving it already. It's grabbing it really nicely on the sponge. And we're going to pat this basically all over our face. Well, on the side that has no makeup, I'm going to put it on the other side. Okay, you guys, so here it is with my face all white. It looks like it adheres to the skin very well. I know it looks super freaking crazy, but that's the whole point of, you know, doing mixture of makeup. It's gonna look crazy, but we gotta be creative. Okay, so I kept this part with no product on it for a purpose, because I'm actually wanting to kind of match the other eye. So I'm actually gonna go with pink around this eye. So I'm gonna wet my brush. If you're wondering what brush, I just wet the brush, and then I just, you know, pretty much lather it in the paint, or the makeup I should say, not paint. And if you're wondering what brushes I'm using, you guys, I'm basically just using a regular paintbrush, but any makeup brush you have will work. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do now, I left this part blank because we're going to draw a circle from our eyebrow all the way around our face. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we'll start shaping everything. Just like that, you guys. Okay, so now start filling it in. And that's the reason why I left this part blank, because I really want to see the true color of this pink here. It spreads out really nicely, you guys. So I'm really liking this. Normally it's always hard to get like watercolor makeup and make sure that it's opaque, but this one is very opaque, so I'm really liking it. Okay guys, so now that we have the pink color in, we're gonna now start drawing stuff. So excited. Okay, so I think I'm gonna draw flowers. I have another paintbrush that's clean. We're gonna go into this yellow color, this beautiful yellowish neon yellow pretty color. We're gonna start up here, draw a circle. We're gonna fill that in. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take like a dry brush and we're gonna make that opaque. So we're just gonna kind of pat this in so you don't see like those, those brush strokes. Oh, right, and we're gonna now, I have it rinsed out, so we are gonna go into this beautiful orange and we're gonna start drawing flowers or a flower on top of my head. I'm gonna fill the flowers in. I'm just kind of going along what comes to my mind, you guys, so I'm not going in like any specific like direction. I'm now gonna take the purple here, and since this is basically one of the darkest colors in these in this set, that's what I'm gonna use for my outline. So I'm gonna outline my eye with this purple color. It's looking amazing so far. I'm so excited. Okay, next I'm going to take this orange color and we're going to draw flowers around the side of the eye. And we're going to fill those flowers in. Okay, so I'm going to go back into this purple now. And we're going to outline the flowers. I just rinse the brush every time I switch colors, you guys. That's all I need to switch the colors. And we're going to outline the flowers. I'm going to put lines coming up from the bottom here. Let's also outline the top part as well. Okay, next up, you guys, I'm going to take this green here and we're going to draw a leaf. Okay, we're now going to go back into this purple here, you guys, and we're going to start drawing like the nose and the hash marks that go on the mouth. I'm going to draw on the nose. We're not done yet. the nose is what really makes it come together. Okay guys, so I actually, my camera died, so I drew this little flower here, and then I pretty much just filled in my nose and put in more dots. We gotta move fast because I don't have a lot more time on my camera, so I'm gonna just move as fast as I can. Sorry, I was looking for this. Okay, so, ooh, I need this as a mirror, of course, but we need these colors. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to add some purple, what are called teardrops, for interest on this look. So we'll put some right here. And let's put another swirl. Just to give it some nice detail. Add some teardrops here. Okay. I want to add some glowing right here as well. Let's see if I can get it. And add some glowing up here. And I want to add some going in here. Looks good. Alright, and then we are going to add a little bit of outline with our pink color here. So I'm kind of just going to go over these teardrops just a little bit like this. Okay guys, so this is so far what we got. We're not done yet. I'm still trying to move as fast as I can here. Okay, so what I used on this side was the Amarezzi palette, all Anastasia products, besides the eyelashes and the foundation. For this side right here, we're going to try matching up those colors as well. So I'm going to take the color Cupcake, dab into my fluffy brush, and we're going to go along this part right here. I'm going to give it some shadow. Okay, now it's okay to use the same brush because we're going to go into a darker color, which is Resi. See right here, we're going to put that on the bottom of our jaw here and outline the outskirts of this. Okay. We're also going to use that same color Resi, and we're going to circle it in our eye crease. We're going to take that color Cupcake, use the same brush, it's okay. Blend it inward over the eyelid. Alright, now we're going to take a smaller brush and we're going to use the color Leo, which is this blue one right here, the color Leo. And we're going to go to the inner corner of the eye and bring it in towards the center. And just drag it out and blend it out with this color. We're also going to grab that same color Leo and we're going to put that on our bottom lid. Okay, so on this side I use the Anastasia Loose Glitter Kit, and this is called Snowfall, and I'm using their glitter glue. So we are actually going to put this glitter glue on our nose. Let that get tacky. We're going to put it on our eye just like around the outer corners. Alright, we're going to put that on our eye now. Okay guys, I am going to put on my eyelashes. I'm using the Jamira kind, and this right here is basically what I have on this side. If you're wondering what I have for my lips, I'm using what, if you watch my last video about the 3-color lipstick, and I'll see you back in just a short few seconds for the final look. Okay you guys, so here I am back, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm going to set my face really quick with the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. Oh my god, I love this stuff. So refreshing. I love it. It smells so amazing, you guys. And this is it, you guys. So this is basically what I created with the Anastasia Norvina collection. And cake eyeliners. But as you can see, you can do way more than eyeliner with just that. And I'll give you a quick close-up of the whole thing. So I told you I was gonna go all out, and I did. So let me know if you guys like this sugar skull look, if you thought it was pretty, if you think the glam or the things that I created with these things was pretty neat and unexpected. Yes, I do have a talent in this area of art and makeup as well. If you guys didn't know that, I just don't do eye makeup. I do, you know, body art, body painting, and so forth. So I hope you guys once again enjoyed this look. Please follow my Instagram, you guys, so you can see this, how I did this eye look. My Instagram is bossbabybeauty16, and if you did like this video, please give it a comment, please give it a like, and as my catchphrase, stay bossy, you know. So we'll see you all in the next one. Bye!